guys, in today's video I'm going to just be making a chill relax video, so grab your project. I'm going to be working on a owl stuffed animal. I actually just, as you know, recently got back from Italy and found out that owls over there mean really knowledgeable and wisdom in folklore. So I brought back a ton of pins from each spot that I go to. And usually I pick up a stuffed animal while I'm on vacation to put the pins on, but I did not find any while I was over there, so I'm just gonna make my own. So like I said, grab your project and come hang out. I finished the owl's head. I'm going to move on to the body. It says to just leave this as is for now, and I'm going to sew it. So let's see how the next part goes. I finished the body and I attached it to the head. Now I'm going to make the wings. And I'm going to make it with the same color as the head. I finished both the wings. Now I'm going to go ahead and attach them to the body. Okay, now I finished the head, the body, and the wings. The only parts that are left are the eyes, the ears, and the tail feather. And I'm still trying to decide whether I'm going to put a little pattern on his front. But stay tuned for next week. I'm going to go ahead and finish this guy next week in part 2 so you can see the final product. If you enjoyed chilling with me today, I hope you got your own projects ahead of schedule, and I would love it if you would subscribe, comment down below, maybe leave a comment if you think I should put a pattern on the front of the owl, and leave a like, and I will see you in the next one.